Hello guys, how are you doing? We have a second problem with our almost 14-year-old dishwasher from Miele. So the last months it's using a lot of rinse aid, so we have to fill it up very oftenly. So we use this from Sun. It's a brand from Unilever. And at this moment it uses a lot of rinse aid, so I didn't know what the problem was until it get worse and I saw the problem. So if we open the dishwasher and the reservoir from the rinse aid, this part, the seal over here, has become too small. It shrinked, so you can see that there is a space between the gasket and the part over here. So if you close it, the part will fall out when it's dry, but now it's wet. So everything can go to the dishwasher when it's in use. So you can see that this part is too small now, but because it's wet it's a little bit sticky. So I've ordered a new part and we will replace it now. Here you can see I've ordered it from Miele itself. So the paper with all the numbers, and here is the new genuine Miele spare part. So the material number, so you can see it's the seal 6082322, and we can see this is an older part number 06082321. So this is a 1, and normally a 0 before the 6 also. So we will open this and place it into the dishwasher. So the old one, 21 behind, and here 22. So we will lay it in now and see how it fits. So you can see you have to use a little bit of force to place it in. So it fits perfect. And if we see the old one, that was shrinked a bit. You can see it isn't, you can wiggle it around. So that was the problem. So now we can place in correctly the new gasket. This way isn't correct. It has to be in like this. And we will fill it up also. And then we can close it again. You can see that nothing is leaking. So it's fixed now. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.